How to stop political text messages in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down in last and click on apps and scroll down and click on messages and then scroll down and here you see the option filter unknown senders. So turn this button on, and after turning this button on, go back to home screen and open messages app, and your unknown political text messages will be showed on your filters, and click on unknown senders and here you can see your political text messages unknown senders, and go back and open messages. And if you want to stop it, then simply open a chat and wrote here stop and send, it will be stop. And the another way is simply open a chat and then open info here and then click on info and scroll down, and here you can see the option block caller. Simply click on block caller and block it. So this is the way to stop political text messages in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.